everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a quick review on a new color. This is called Rain Mocha. Previously, they released the Rain Black recently, like end of last year, and I've done a quick review on that. And now they've released like a mocha version. First of all, this diameter consists of 13.5mm, which is usually a little bit bigger to what I tend to wear. I did mention with the Rain Black version, the previous version, I was fine with the diameter because it didn't feel that enlarging when I put it on. However, with this particular one, maybe because of the dark tone brown mocha color, it does emphasize the lashes of it a little bit more compared to the black one, so I do feel a little bit of the enlargement. For this one, the pattern, it has the same soft limbo ring on the outside. You really can't tell the limbo ring for this one just because I feel like the focal point for all of this one is more of the inside rather than the outside. With the black one, you do see the thinness of the limbo ring, and then inside you see the grey and the black. However, with this particular mocha, you sort of get like a three-tone brown shade. First of all, the inside, the upper layer, the stripiness, you get a little bit of that light golden brown, which is beautiful. And then on the bottom, I love the gradient of it. You get a darker mocha version at the bottom. Then on the outside, like I said, you get that soft limbo brown tone. However, when you actually put it on your eyes, like for me, because I am originally like dark black eye, when I put it on, you don't really see that three-tone brownness to it. If you guys have like lighter eye color, I would say the brown or mocha color of this will be way more obvious. So that's my thoughts on it. So when you look at it a little bit more closer, you can definitely see a bit of the two-tone color inside. However, for me, it's not that obvious from a distance. In terms of this one, you can see the highlight a little bit like the raindrop highlight, but again, it's not as obvious as the Rain Black. I feel like I was jumping back and forth between the Rain Black and the Rain Mocha, but I think you guys would prefer that where I compare both colors. Overall, I feel like this color is leaning more towards a natural tone side rather than something that will like emphasize or make your eyes pop. For me, if I have to pick one color, I would pick the Rain Black one more just because I feel like I like the color of the gray tone and then a mixture of the black, and somehow it looks a little bit smaller compared to this Rain Mocha. Let me know what your thoughts are if you guys have tried this. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.